We're going to be taking both front seats out. We're going to be taking our door cards off and everything else. So there's some prep work you can do to get the whole car ready and then dig into all the rest. Now, as we go through this, I'm only going to show, for example, one door card at a time. And I'm going to do one front door card and one rear door card. And you can assume how the rest is going to go exactly the same. Now, some of the advice today also is going to be obviously very, very BMW specific here in the C53. But there's no reason why you couldn't use this advice for for another car or a similar car, because the process is going to be essentially the same. Okay, so as we look at our seats, one of the things you're going to want to do with power seats is your bolts in the front. They have front and rear bolts. So you're going to want to be able to run your seat forward and back as you work through it. So you can't unplug your battery yet. But you're going to want to do that before you actually unplug the seats themselves. So in this particular case, we've got a cover over the top of our posts. So I'm just going to use a screwdriver and pull that out. Now, your various bolts that you have to hold your seat down is going to be different in every car. In my M2C, we actually had big like T30 or T40 Torx bolts. In this case, it's a big nut that holds them down. So go ahead and pull the covers all the way around, run the seats back, pull those covers off, run the seats forward, pull those covers off, and pull the bolts all the way around. Don't unplug your seats yet, because we're going to want to unplug the battery. I'll show you how to do that next. Okay. All right, so in this case, as you can see, we've got 16mm nuts. And they come off really easily. And when we do the install, I'll have the proper torque values for you so you can put these back down properly. Like I said, in this case, we've got nuts. On the other car, I've got bolts. So then go ahead and run everything forward to be able to get to the back. And then at that point, your seat's loose.